Old ugly steering wheel about to get replaced. Alright, we're going to replace this ugly stock non-sport, non-M edition factory ugly steering wheel. First things first, we got to go underneath here and we will press this up into here, and then we're going to take the spring that's inside of here and we're going to unrelease the airbag. I'll show you how to do that. Alright, I'm going to show you. We disconnected this. Best way to use a thin, has to be thin, it can't be thick. So this thing has to stick up into here. Don't go at it this way. Don't go at it this way. You got to go directly underneath and then push. Because if you look inside of here, if you can see back in there, that's what it's actually doing, is turning in that right there. I'll show you a little bit more. Hold on. Head up directly up. You see how it goes? You don't want to go like this. You want to go directly up, catch it, and then push. And that's actually right there. You just basically turn that, and that's what pops both sides out right there. Just want to show you guys exactly, because if you go at it like this, like I was, it just keeps hitting there. If you go directly, straight up, push and pulls it right out. I'm going to show you how to transfer everything. We're going to take all the steering wheel controls off and everything. We're going to transfer the steering wheels. Now we're going to 16 millimeter. We're going to take off this main hub right here. There we go. Sorry, I'm just trying to keep the steering wheel straight while I do this, so that when I put that one on, it's not good. Okay, here's the main bolt. All that's taken out right there. Now we're going to put the new steering wheel in. Make sure you unplug this last little harness right here. It just unplugs out, and then the whole steering wheel will basically just pull right off. Boom, there's the hub. Stay tuned. I've already set it on. We're going to go ahead and hold her down. Changed out from the old steering wheel.